What's going on, guys? So as you can tell from the title above, this is going to be a Innova 5610 unboxing. This is going to be part 1 of 3 videos that I'm going to be making. First things first, I want to thank Innova for actually sending this product out to me. They are the sponsor of this video. This is, like I said, this is going to be a 3-part video. If you guys want to see part 2 and 3, please subscribe. I also have a giveaway for the 3 parts. I'm going to show you how to enter for that tool giveaway at the end of this video. So let's get to it. Let's do this unboxing and see what's actually in the box. So here's the box. Obviously it's the 5610, as you can see right here, Innova. Let's open this up, see what's actually in here. Okay, so basically it's a box in a box. So here's the scan tool, as you can see, 5610, and today is actually October 3rd, 2023, and as of right now, this is actually Innova's top of the line scan tool, the 5610. We'll do all these different features, as you can see here. So like I said, this is going to be an unboxing, so let's actually see what's in this box. Okay, so you've got a quick start guide. You got a QR code for the app. You can see here, pretty basic, right? And obviously we got the tool. Oh, another little QR code here. We got the tool. So there's the 5610. Looks like it's USB-C for the plug-in charger here. That's the USB-C, yeah, for the computer, probably for the updates. And the OBD2 cable here, of course, comes with it. And one nice feature about this this tool, it actually has the built-in LED light. So like I said, guys, it's pretty basic. This is all it is a quick unboxing. You got the cable, obviously you got the tool, and a couple of pamphlets. So like I said, if you guys stuck around to the end of the video, right, this is going to be a tool giveaway, right? So I got an Innova 3100 here, and I'm going to be giving this tool away. And the way you're going to be able to enter to win this, you got to subscribe, you got to like, and you got to, in the comments, just enter in. So like I said, it's going to be a 3 video. So on those 3 videos, some lucky subscriber is going to win this tool. So all you got to do is, again, subscribe, like, and in the comments, just enter in. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Good luck.